Hi, how are you? I'm Shen, this is Sophie, and welcome back to my channel, Mama Banana. Today I'm going to share with you how I pack up my Lillebaby All Seasons carrier into my Jujube Be Light bag. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So this is the Jujube Be Light in gingham style. This is where I keep my Lillebaby and all its accessories. And I'm going to begin the packing with my little blanket for my baby. So in Ireland the weather is quite changeable, it can get quite cold very quickly. So here's a little blankie. I'm just going to put that in the bottom of my bag. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I need to roll up my carrier. So I'm just going to put this down this way, gather up the shoulder straps, fold them down nice and tight. I have a little wristlet here attached to the shoulder strap. That's just where I keep everything that I need. There is a pouch on the Lillebaby, or not even a pouch, there's a little zip here where you can keep your phone and whatever else you need. But I find that it's just so close up against my baby, it's too tight and it will be uncomfortable for Sophie. So I like to keep a little pouch there instead for all my bits and bobs. So fold the shoulder straps down and then roll it towards the waist strap, nice and tight. Oh, Sophie! Okay, I'm just going to close this over and then I'll grab my baby. So I'll snap the buckle in here and then pull it nice and tight. Okay, so I'm back, baby wearing my baby in my Infantino zip pouch carrier. So you can see her little legs here. So here is the Lillebaby all wrapped up nice and tight. Okay, so in my bag I'm just going to put the carrier in, and I'm going to have it so that the waist belt is horizontal or in line with the bottom of the bag. Okay, and now that I have it in there, I can just push it down like so that there's plenty of room to zip it up. And this way the bag also stands upright as well, gives a bit of structure. And I'm just going to continue packing up my bag with the rest of accessories that I use while I'm baby wearing. So there's a little hat here, and I have a little bib. So the Lillebaby All Seasons carrier keeps your baby cool with a mesh lining, but that mesh lining also goes out to the front. So if you're wearing your baby forward facing, their little chins can be rubbing up against the mesh lining and they can find that uncomfortable. So what I like to do is I put a bib on my baby, and that will protect her skin up against the rough mesh material. Sorry. That is Sophie there falling asleep, and she falls asleep by groaning. And then I also have a nice soft cloth here just to wipe up any spills or dribbles. I don't pack anything else in this bag because it's just home to the Lillebaby and what I need when I'm baby wearing. Everything else will be in my diaper bag. So I have the Jujube Be Light here paired up with my Black Magic messenger strap, and this actually goes really well. The messenger strap is very comfortable with the memory foam padding. I just thought I'd give you a quick shot of the Lillebaby in All Seasons forward facing. See, this is the mesh material here that can be quite rough on my baby's chin, and she likes to eat it, so like she can end up with a big raw red face if I just left her like this. So what I do is I put a bib on. Now that she has a bib on, her chin is protected from the rough material of the mesh. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like it, please do give it a big thumbs up. And and hopefully you will subscribe so you can see more of my videos. Thank you very much. Bye.